Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing and flip through video. Today I'm super excited to take a look at the movie Tarot, A Hero's Journey in 78 Cards. So as you can see, we already have some familiar faces here. Mr. Bowie, oh my gosh. Be Guided by the Stars. The packaging is really cute. This is illustrated by Natalie Foss and written by Diana McMahon Collis. Hopefully I said that right. So this retails for $17.99, published by Lawrence King. It says, reframe your personal tarot journey in the spirit of iconic movie legends with movie tarot, including a 78 card tarot deck and a booklet with guidance on interpreting the cards and conducting your own readings. Your storyline is in the cards. I'm so excited. Okay. I love the packaging. It's very fun, and it is a box type packaging. Nothing too special about that. Okay, let's see. Oh, all right. Toss that aside. Let's take a look at the booklet real fast and see if there's anything pressing we really need to take a look at. Conducting a reading, drawing and interpreting the cards. We have a lights, camera, action spread and a big picture spread, and then it just goes into each of the cards. That's exciting. It has who the actor is and what character they played in what movie, a life lesson, and then we have some information about the cards. Alrighty, so let's get into it. I'm excited. Whoop. All right, the back of the card is really cute. It's not really a gloss, it's kind of more of a matte, but there is some reflection right there. It is thin, but not terrible, so we'll see how that goes with shuffling. And already, we should recognize the iconic Forrest Gump. This is a movie I still need to see. I believe it's The Martian. I love the illustration, the colors. Oh, Beetlejuice. Love it. Empress. Scarface, all right. Hierophant. That's an interesting choice. Okay, Godfather. Okay, I kind of love this for the lovers. Kind of love that. Wow. The art is phenomenal. Oh my gosh. Clint Eastwood. I'm taking a guess. Is this Dirty Harry? We'll find out. Oh my goodness, Doc Brown. Oh, I love this card. You can see the alien in the background. Oh my gosh, I love it. Off the top of my head, I don't know what that is. I'm gonna have to figure out where that's from. Really? Is that Donnie Darko? Could be wrong. I'm gonna have to just go through and see each and every one of these to make sure. Wow. I'm already loving this. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh wow. Love. Could you have a more perfect sun card? That's amazing. Kill Bill. Oh, Lilu. Is it Lilu? Why am I blanking on her name? But Fifth Element. Okay. So it looks like most of the minor arcana are going to be More of the pip cards. Well, I like that. Okay, you can still kind of see what the card's about. Not terribly bad. At least it's not just a blank background. And we do have actual people for the court cards. Yes. Wow, Laura Croft. Willy Wonka. Okay, this is like a really fun deck. It might be a little bit difficult for beginners, but for a movie buff, okay, now see, Four of Cups. It's beautiful. Okay. There's something going on, obviously, in the backgrounds with these. Yeah, so it's not terrible. It's not terrible. However, it might get a little confusing for beginners. That looks like a pathway, yeah. Wish on a star. Okay, so it's not just little pip cards. You know, there's something going on. There's something to interpret in there. It's, you know, it's not blatantly obvious, but however, it's there. Wesley. This is a movie I've not seen either. Bill Murray. Oh my goodness. Wow. There's a lot of references in this deck. Okay, crying eyes. Yeah, so, you know, it's not terrible. I'm digging this. I'm really digging this. This is really fun. Wow. Not sure what movie that is from. My goodness. Wow. Yeah, there was thought put into these cards. There really was a lot of thought put into it. Yeah, they're not just little pip cards. They're actually, you know, telling a little bit of a story here. That's exciting. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yes. All right. Love it. Indiana Jones, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's see how it shuffles. And then we'll pull a card and see how they will read in the guidebook. You know, they're a little stiff, but it's not a bad thing. I like it. I like the size of it as well. It's not, you know, an awkward length. You know, it's not terribly long, and it is also, you know, easy to maneuver. It's nice. I like the width. I like the size. I like the way it feels in your hand. And I like that it's not super glossy to where it's going to leave crazy fingerprints. It's a little reflective, as you can see with the ring light, but it's not terrible. What a fun deck. Okay, so we pulled Queen of Wands. This looks like Katniss. Let's find out. Is it Katniss? I could be very wrong. Okay, Cups, Swords, Wands. Queen of Wands, Lady of the Manor, charming, magnetic, friendly, loving, honorable, understanding, sympathetic, and practical. Likes money but understands economy, snobbery, obstinacy, deceit, social introductions, business success. Okay, and then I saw the course. Here we go. So it has the different kings, queens, knights, and pages. What about the aces? Because those were shown to be people too. Is my eyes deceiving me? All right, well, for the queens, it just says women, especially older women, mothers, nurturing, devoted, supportive, focused. Here we go. Audrey Tudo and Amelie, I can never say it right. Jennifer Lawrence in the Hunger Games. Yep, that's Miss Katniss Everdeen. Got it. Okay, well, at least we still get who is who, where it's from. We get the understanding of who the court cards are. We have the the minor arcana, what they represent. So yeah, I'm really okay with this deck. This reminds me a lot of the Tattoo Tarot, and I believe they might be the same. That name is familiar, the same author. If it is, I will link it, or I'll link it in the description box. I did do a video on it as well. So it just reminds me a lot of how that particular guidebook is set up. So anywho, I absolutely love this. I think it's fun. I think it's a fantastic gift for somebody who loves tarot. If you're starting out and you want a fun deck, I think you can get through with the imagery as well as the guidebook. There's enough information for you to start with. I think this is fun. It's definitely quirky, and if you're a movie buff, heck yes, what fun. What fun. I'm thrilled. I think it's fantastic. I love the art. I love that it's actually a decent deck. I thought it could be one of those novelty decks, but I'm very pleasantly surprised. Very, very much so. This was definitely thought out, and it's fun, different, and I can't say pretty much anything negative about it other than the minor arcana cards. But even then, there's something going on to where you can figure out what it means. So, I'm impressed. I'm not gonna lie. I'm impressed. Anyway, let me know what you think down in the comment section below. If this is on your radar, if it's on your wish list, if you have it, let me know what you think about this deck down in the comment section. As well as don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.